我知我有做錯，但係你仍然愛我，成日都原諒我，我唯有講聲多謝，講聲多謝 ，everybody 講聲多謝，我唯有講聲多謝 ，come on，come on。趁有時間講個古仔你聽，佢哋話我細個真係好正，又識氹人，又少扭計，但係越大個就開始越曳，盡晒力都唔識點教，結果成日俾老豆老母鬧。佢哋話生嚿叉燒好過生你，我諗佢哋冇好準備，諗翻就覺得有啲出奇。佢哋好後生就生我出嚟，我好感激你哋有呢個決定。如果呢個世界冇歐陽靖 MC Jin 就唔會存在，我等呢一刻已經等咗好耐，同你哋兩個講聲多謝晒，俾機會我入呢個世界。我知我有做錯，但係你仍然愛我，成日都原諒我，我唯有講聲多謝 everybody 講聲多謝 come on come on 講聲多謝呢邊講聲多謝嗰邊講聲多謝人嘅心。
Life is not to be wasted. Life is to be cherished. Enjoy every moment. Live every day as if it were your last. Be thankful to God for everything, because everything in this life is a gift from above. You are not an accident. You are a destiny.
Check it. 人嘅生命有無限嘅價值，但係有時做人真係大壓力。當佢發現佢係有咗，點樣做先至為之啱定係錯？我唯有勸佢好好咁考慮，但係點樣做始終都係靠佢。雖然個 BB 係仲未出世，冇人知佢將來會點樣出位，或者做明星，或者做醫生，或者我咁諗根本太天真。唔同嘅人有唔同嘅，但係好多嘢都係命中注定。點樣先可以有滿足感？凡事都用好嗰一方面去諗。神，我想講聲多謝晒，你俾機會我入呢個世界。Come on， 我有做錯，係你仍然愛我，成日都原諒我，我唯有講聲多謝。Everybody 講聲多謝，大聲啲講聲多謝，後邊講聲多謝，二樓講聲多謝。
We all need to be thankful for life, whether life has been good or whether life has been hard. We all need to thank God for the life that we've been given. And you need to understand that every one of you were born in your mother's womb for a reason. Son Mornay, yeah, so Mornay.
Yeah！
Dang, what is something? Come on.
你多謝，我知我有做錯，但係你仍然愛我，成日都原諒我，我唯有講聲多謝，一齊講聲多謝，大聲啲講聲多謝，四樓講聲多謝，講聲多謝。
Come on, put your hands up. 舉手。同神講多謝啦。
多謝晒咁多位啊！我想同載我嚟嗰個的士司機講聲多謝，多謝晒，多謝晒。今日請幾位留步噃，好唔好啊？請幾位留步。咁啊，同一時間咧，亦都咧請咧我哋咁多位嘅